Snickers, just a candy bar or the eighth wonder of the world? Today, we're diving into the history of one of the most iconic chocolate bars, Snickers. Have you ever wondered why this particular bar became the ultimate hunger-satisfying snack? What made it so popular that it's sold in over 70 countries worldwide? Is Snickers just another candy bar, or is it a masterpiece of confectionery engineering? A simple treat, or a scientifically crafted hunger buster? Stay with us until the end to uncover the secrets behind its legendary status. Many people see Snickers as just a tasty chocolate treat, but behind its name lies a fascinating story that spans decades. Stay with us until the end to discover how this chocolate bar evolved from a family kitchen experiment to a global phenomenon, what clever marketing strategies helped it conquer the market, and some incredible facts you probably didn't know about Snickers. The story of Snickers begins with Franklin Clarence Mars, a man who grew up surrounded by the world of sweets. His mother, Ethel Mars, made caramel and homemade candies, and Franklin learned the craft from an early age. However, his journey to success was far from easy. In 1911, he launched his first candy business, but it quickly failed. Yet, he didn't give up. Years later, he founded Mars Incorporated and started experimenting with chocolate bar recipes. In 1923, he introduced Milky Way, the company's first major hit. Then, in 1930, Snickers was born. The name wasn't chosen randomly. It was inspired by the family's beloved horse, Snickers. Little did they know that this name would become a global brand recognized by millions. Snickers isn't just a chocolate bar. It's a carefully crafted combination of ingredients that make it both delicious and filling. It consists of nougat, soft and fluffy, forming the base of the bar. Caramel, rich, sweet, and slightly chewy, adding extra depth to the taste. Roasted peanuts, the key ingredient that gives Snickers its distinctive crunch and a hint of saltiness. Milk chocolate, the final coating that completes the bar's signature flavor. This combination wasn't accidental. Mars designed Snickers not just as candy, but as an energy-packed snack. Back in the 1930s, it was even marketed as sports fuel because peanuts provide a great source of energy. Even today, Snickers remains one of the few chocolate bars that people rely on for quick energy. It's a popular choice for hikers, athletes, and even included in United States military rations due to its long shelf life and high-calorie content.
Snickers isn't just famous for its taste, it's also a masterclass in marketing. From the very beginning, the brand knew how to engage different audiences, and its advertising campaigns became legendary. In 1992, Snickers entered the Russian market with the catchy slogan, "Don't slow down, grab a Snickers." This phrase quickly became a cultural reference and is still recognized today. Then, in 2010, Mars launched the worldwide campaign Unite You When You're Hungry. These commercials showed people transforming into someone completely different when hungry, sometimes into a grumpy old lady, sometimes into an angry football player. The ads featured celebrities like Elton John, Danny Trejo, and even Mr. Bean. The campaign was such a massive success that it's still running today. Through smart and relatable marketing, Snickers became more than just a candy bar, it became a symbol of energy and satisfaction. Even if you're a big Snickers fan, here are some facts you might not know. Before 1990, Snickers was sold as Marathon in the UK and Ireland. The name was chosen to appeal to British consumers, but later, Mars decided to unify the brand globally. In 2019, Mars temporarily brought back the Marathon name in the UK to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the rebranding, sparking nostalgia among longtime fans. Snickers is included in U.S. military rations due to its long shelf life and high energy content, making it perfect for soldiers in the field. Snickers generates around $2 billion in annual sales, making it one of the best-selling candy bars in the world. Snickers has made multiple appearances in movies and TV shows. You can spot it in The Simpsons, The Office, and even The Fifth Element. For over 90 years, Snickers has gone from a small confectionery experiment to a global sensation. Its success lies in the perfect blend of taste, nutrition, and smart marketing. This chocolate bar has always been associated with energy, hunger satisfaction, and great taste. Today, Snickers remains one of the most beloved chocolate bars in the world. From kids and athletes to office workers and even soldiers, everyone enjoys Snickers. It's more than just a snack, it's a part of everyday life. And now, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite chocolate bar? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode of Food Story. See you next time.